Welcome to this week's Brangus Sale Report. Over the weekend, September 8th, at the Don Thomas & Son Cadillac of Brangus sale, we saw strong demand for Brangus genetics. The averages are as follows. 50 registered Brangus females averaged 25.29, 20 Brangus bulls averaged 24.55, and 179 Brangus sired commercial females averaged $1,499. This year's high sellers were Lot 35, a Jessie daughter who ranks in the top 2% for birth weight, sold to Westall Ranches in New Mexico for $57.50. Westall Ranches also purchased the second high selling female of the day, Lot 48, a backside daughter, for $5,100. The high selling bred heifers were Lot 9, going to JLS International for $4,200, and Lot 6 to Cavender Ranches for $4,300. Both of these females came out of an impressive pen of bred heifers. Now let's watch a few of these females as they go through the ring.
So right here, 5,750. That's going to be 1870. Westall going to New Mexico. Thank you. We've got two more people any more acquainted with that herd of cattle and the cattle that came out of the two guys bid. You got 5? 51. 51, 5,200, $5,200, $5,200. We're going to find out which one knows more about it. 5,200, 51, 2. So right here, $5,100. She's headed to New Mexico. That's going to be about 1870. Ray Westall, thank you very much. How we doing? We doing good? Pretty good. 42, 43, 42, 43, sold $4,200 on DD auction. 4,200. Myron, sign off. Thank you, Myron. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching this week's edition of the Brangus Sale Report. And remember, when building a profitable cow herd, build with Brangus.